You must say nothing. Say nothing about the present situation in this city. You must hush. Because the king, and all the king's horses and all the king's men, want you to be silent. Silence! Well, watch this, comrades. I will not be silent. Not this Englishman. No silence for me! No silence for me, because I have heard your voices when you come to me and tell me about the cries of your hungry children. And I will gather up every single one of those cries, and I will take them with me on the train back to Westminster. And I will let them out of the bag in the House of Commons, and let them try and silence that, eh?
Tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface, don't know